of Delhi Public School, Rudrapur. The world is in our hands. Viewers, that MUN the globe is not just a map on the wall, it's a mission in our hands. Ladies and gentlemen, the history is being written right here, right now. Welcome to the first ever Model United Nations hosted by Delhi Public School, Rudrapur, where the voices of youth echo with the power to transform the world. This isn't just an event, it's a movement, a celebration of bold ideas, fearless minds, and a future is sculpted by the visionaries of today. The opening ceremony of DPSR MUN 2025 was graced by none other than Dr. Sahil Singh, a dynamic leader and a global visionary, serving as an ambassador for strategic partnership and UN Sustainable Development Goals. As the chief guest of DPSR MUN 2025, Dr. Sahil Singh's presence not only elevated the spirit of the event, but also inspired every delegate to embrace the value of diplomacy, dialogue, and determination. He was welcomed by our Honorable Chairman Shri Surjit Singh Grover Sir, along with the guest of honor, Mr. Guneet Singh, singer-writer, Mr. Mridur Arora, producer, writer, composer, Mr. Rajendra, performer and live artist. The culture program folded beautifully through the graceful performances by our students. The Ganesh Vandana painted the air with divinity. The fusion dance, the live band shook the hall with electrifying rhythms. The audience clapped, cheered, and lived the magic in every beat. Every great event has a guiding force. At DPSR, that force is none other than Chairman Shri Surjit Singh Grover Sir, along with Vice Chairman Shri Harman Singh Grover Sir, and Head Administrator and Councillor Manmeet Ma'am. They believe in young minds, their tireless encouragement, and their visionary leadership turn this dream into reality. Truly, they are the wind beneath the wings of every DPSR student. The legacy is alive. This wasn't just an event, this was a revolution. At DPSR MUN 2025, courage spoke, unity shone, and leadership was born. Every delegate walked out not with just memories, but with a mission. To be change makers, to be visionaries, to be leaders of tomorrow.
So, I am Dr. Sahil Singh. I started my career with MUN only back in 2018 in Asia World Model United Nations in Thailand. So I've started my career from there. For 3 years I was working with United Nations as a diplomat, as a young intern, and as a training, in the training part only, with no position, no big post, no fancy titles, just as an intern on the back desk. Then in 2021 I was appointed as advisor to the Prime Minister for African Diaspora Department in African Union in Africa. From there I started working with the African Union, served there at many positions like Special Envoy, Special Advisor, Ambassador, Deputy High Commissioner for the African Union. And in 2024 October, I was appointed as Ambassador for Pan-African Intergovernment Agency for Water and Sanitation. So because water and sanitation is one of the biggest problem in Africa, so serving as an ambassador. And in May 2025, I was appointed as Ambassador for Strategic Partnership and UN SDG, Sustainable Development Goals for United Nations, and since then I'm working with United Nations. Thank you very much to Honorable Chairman Sir and the management of DPS for inviting me here for the DPS MUN. So regarding your school, it is my second visit to your school, and I really like coming here because this school has some different vibes, different than other schools. In fact, the facilities your management has provided, it is not available in the universities also. I've been to many universities in India and globally as well. The initiatives of your school are way more good for the young generation. They are having all the facilities here in your school, which are not easily found because the management and schools, they don't focus on more on extra co-curricular activities. But with the grace of Honorable Chairman Sir, you have more facilities, good infrastructure. The best thing, you have greenery, you have, and the best initiative I heard from here is this support into agriculture also, because when you go to agriculture field, आप किसी कॉलेज यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में जाके हॉर्टिकल्चर एग्रीकल्चर पढ़ते हैं, बट फर्स्ट इनिशिएटिव स्कूल का मैं देख रहा हूँ कि जो स्कूल स्टूडेंट्स को भी एग्रीकल्चर के बारे में, फार्मिंग के बारे में इनिशिएटिव्स हैं, जो आपके उनसे एजुकेशन मिल रही, नॉलेज मिल रही, सो दैट दे नो how to save our environment. You know, the climate change is one of the biggest problem in this world, but you have 65% of the greenery in this infrastructure. It is a very noble and good initiative.
The message is clear. The future is being built. Thank you for being patient, listeners.